Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. This is Subhasree and I'm back with my Sunday videos after a long summer holidays. And today I'm making some quick and easy table coasters from Popsicle Sticks. Recently, I saw a coaster set in Amazon on which four different kinds of indoor board games were printed and it looked so cute and unique. It cost around about 300 rupees, but instead of buying it from Amazon, I crafted this at home by myself using some popsicle sticks. And I also made a box to hold those tea coasters. So let me take you through the quick and easy process of making these fun-filled table coasters out of popsicle sticks. I have taken 8 pieces of regular popsicle sticks and glued them together. I am using this Flex Week instant glue which is very strong, and I highly recommend using this kind of transparent instant glue which can easily fix plastic, wood or even metals. We just need to use a small amount of glue to fix these sticks strongly and instantly. I have kept the plastic below this so that the glue does not spread all over my tabletop, and this plastic can easily be peeled off at the end. We should not use hot glue or glue gun or fevicol because that type of glue can melt away and the sticks will fall apart. Obviously we will be using these coasters to keep hot cup of tea or coffee, and that can melt the glue, which means our coasters will break away. So it is better to use this kind of instant glue or dendrite. Now on the back side of this coaster I have pasted two more sticks so that it add more support to the coaster. Now the base is ready and I have applied a thin coat of gesso, then colored it with white acrylic. Now when the base is ready, we can easily draw a mini Ludo board like this. It's pretty easy and it takes very less time. So the small and cute Ludo board is done. Now let's make the second coaster, which will be the miniature board of snake and ladder. So to make that, we need to make lines of equal measurement so that small boxes are created all over the board. And then fill up each box randomly with different colors and then number each box, and finally draw ladders and snakes. This DIY project is taking me to my childhood. I personally always preferred Snake and Ladder more than Ludo. But we 80s and 90s generation had spent so many afternoons playing these exciting indoor games, isn't it? And guys, do you remember that one big fat snake which used to sit at the box just before the ending box? कितने बार हम लोग जीतते जीतते भी गेम हार जाते थे ये एक सांप की वजह से. Now let me draw that snake here in the box just before the end box, and this snake will go down below 2-3 rows like this. It used to be so irritating, but now when I am making this mini board, I'm feeling so happy and so nostalgic. So snake and ladder coaster is done. Now let's move on to my next coasters. Instead of using regular sticks, I thought of using some color sticks also because मेरे पास ये color sticks बहुत दिनों से रखा हुआ था. So I thought of using some orange and yellow sticks. And this time I'm using dendrite instead of instant glue. But as a result, I had to wait long time to get this glue dried up properly. I waited for 4-5 minutes, but still the sticks were coming out of its place. So to avoid further waste of time, I used sellotape to hold these sticks together. And after completing my drawing, I will be taking out this sellotape. So as I told you in the beginning of this video, instead of dendrite or any other glue, instant glue is the best option to use for this project. Anyways, let's make a quick drawing of carom board on top of these orange sticks. I have drawn the outline using the marker, and then I have used thin brush to cover those lines with acrylic black color. So this was the easiest and the fastest drawing on coasters so far. So my carom board is ready. Now let's draw a chess board on top of this regular sticks. Drawing a mini chessboard on these popsicle sticks is also pretty easy and simple because we just need to draw checked boxes and color them with white and black alternatively. You know, few days back, one of my friend was asking me to give her some ideas on making easy school crafts on games and sports, as that's what her daughter's school has asked to do for this summer holiday homework. So I think making this kind of miniature board games table coasters using waste cardboard or ice cream sticks can be the best crafting ideas. But I'm eager to know what you guys think about this popsicle sticks crafts, so please share your feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please do hit the like button and also share it with friends who love to do easy crafts. Now the last step is to apply a coat of varnish so that the color and the texture remain for longer period of time. So all my coasters are ready, but I have ended up making two Ludo boards, one on the regular sticks and other one on this yellow colored sticks. I could have drawn some other board games like Chinese checker or scribbleboard, but none of these games came into my mind while I was doing this fifth coaster, and that's why I have two boards of Ludo. Now let's remove the sellotape from three of these boards where I used dendrite. The white Ludo and the snake and ladder board didn't have sellotape at the back. As for these two, I have used the strong instant glue, which is enough to hold the sticks in one place for a long period of time. Now I have taken one square shaped small cardboard box for making the table coaster holder. So today's coaster set is fully completed. Let me keep this in between two other coaster sets which I hand painted in my last two videos. And with that, I'm signing off for today. I'll come back next week with another set of new videos on crafting or home decor. Till then, stay tuned to my channel, stay healthy, and have a very happy week ahead. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.